Looking for ways to detoxify your body naturally? Welcome to the world of skinny water detox recipes, each brimming with nourishment and flavor. First on our list is the classic lemon mint detox water. A tangy blend of lemon slices and fresh mint leaves. This detox water is a powerhouse of vitamin C, primed to boost your digestion and metabolism. Simply take a fresh lemon, slice it, add it to a pitcher along with a handful of mint leaves. Fill it with water and let the magic happen in the refrigerator for a few hours. Next, we have the cucumber lime mint detox water. This recipe is a hydration hero, using the antioxidant-rich cucumber and lime, coupled with mint for digestive support. Slice your cucumber and lime, add them to a pitcher with fresh mint leaves, fill with water, and let it cool for a refreshing drink. Thirdly, the ginger lemon detox water is all about reducing inflammation and aiding digestion. Thinly slice a piece of ginger and a lemon, add to your pitcher of water, and let it infuse for a few hours before indulging. Fourth, the strawberry basil detox water is your ticket to glowing skin and a body teeming with antioxidants. Slice a handful of strawberries, tear some basil leaves, add them to your pitcher, fill with water, and let it chill in the refrigerator for a delightful infusion. Our fifth recipe, watermelon mint detox water, is a hydration haven. Cube some watermelon, add fresh mint leaves to a pitcher, fill it with water, and let it infuse for a hydrating beverage.